How to cancel SHEIN order and get money back. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to cancel your SHEIN order and get your money back after cancelling the order. So first of all, just go ahead and open the SHEIN official website, and after that just simply log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, just click on the profile icon from the top right section, and after that just go to the personal center, and here you will be able to see different options here on this page. Just click on the my order section, and from there just go to all orders. Just simply tap on it. So in order to cancel your order on the SHEIN website, you first need to place some order on the SHEIN official website. As you can see on my screen that I don't have any orders in my SHEIN my order section, because simply I don't have purchased anything from SHEIN as of now. But if you have purchased something from the SHEIN website, I will tell you how you will be able to cancel it and get all the money back that you have spent on the product that you have purchased. So in the all order section, you will be able to see the list of the product that you have purchased from the SHEIN website. So if you have placed your order and paid the amount from there only, you will be able to see your order in the all order section. But if you have placed the order and if you haven't paid for the particular product that you have purchased, you will be able to see the order in the unpaid section right here. And once you place your order, you will have the option to cancel your order before it has been shipped. So if your order has been shipped, it will show you in this particular list in the shipped section right here. And if your order has not been shipped, it will show you in the processing section or the unpaid section or the all order section. But you need to make sure that your order has not been shipped before you go ahead and cancel it. So once you cancel your order in the processing section or in the all order section, you will be able to see the option called cancel the order or cancel the product. Just simply tap on it and your order will be cancelled. If you have paid for the order beforehand through using any payment method that are available in the SHEIN website, then the money will be refunded in the same account that has been used for the payment that you have made while purchasing the order. So this is basically how you will be able to cancel your order and get all the money back that you have spent. So I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.